Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2016 Forest River XLR Hyperlite 29 HFS toy hauler travel trailer with the slide out. Go ahead and get started on the garage area. Garage is going to be a 10-foot garage. The door measurements, entry door measurements, are 7 feet 4 inches wide and 8 feet tall. That is the door measurements. It's exactly 10 foot deep. There we go, 10 foot. You do have the nice bug screen that pulls down, so you can use this as a patio at night if you want that option. You have it. It does have the power queen bed lift, and you can actually take that queen bed out if you wanted more space, more room. You have that option. Dual ram air vents. Gets the gasoline smells out while you're traveling. You do have 9 heavy-duty 5,000-pound rated tie-downs. Show those off there for you. Nice diamond plate trim down by the floor, and you do have a nice the wood paneling finish going about 2.5 foot up the sidewall there. A little bit more residential look. And your ram air vent here was probably left open because directly below it, the only thing I found that may be an issue to somebody who's looking for something exactly perfect, it's just a little moisture or something curled up the wrap on these moldings here. It's just this molding from there to there. So if you wanted to replace it, it's probably a 2-minute job. 110 outlet right there. Another one there. And your ducted heat and ducted AC in the garage area. Show off that AC ducting. 15,000 pound large AC unit. 15,000 BTU, apologize, AC unit. And it does have a 35,000 BTU furnace. There's your power button for your bed lift. These lights, you have a docking lights on the rear. If I get a chance when I do the walk around, I'll show those to you. And you also in the back have a remote camera, backup camera, pretty nice. TV would go there if you wanted to mount one. Cable and satellite ready there. Nice double door entry so you have access from outside to inside in the garage area. Alright, let's walk into the living quarters. It is a full walk-through bath. Foot flush porcelain toilet. Nice stand-up shower with skylight and a curtain. Your ducted AC and ducted heat in the bathroom. Some of the manufacturers won't even put any ductwork in your bathroom, so it's definitely a nice feature. Let's close this off a little bit. Show off the vanity area. I think it's going to be a dark maple finish on the wood with a brushed nickel or a satin nickel hardware. Nice medicine cabinet. And show off the cabinets there. This is going to be your monitor panel right here. It tells you where you're on your holding tanks. I believe the fresh water is going to be a 54 gallon. The gray water, which is your sink and shower, is going to be 57 gallon. And the black tank or toilet tank is going to be 32 gallons. And these are your 2 switches here. There are 2 red switches are your gas and electric switch. For the 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater, flips any of the switches on whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up. 15 minutes later you've got hot water. Walking into the living quarters here, this is a nice solid residential style door for privacy from the bathroom to the living quarters. This is the slide out. The slide out is going to be about 7 foot long and about 3 foot deep. Accommodates the ultra leather, beautiful recliner sofa. And it is excellent condition. It's a dark brown color. Nice sofa. Sometimes they put some cheap sofas in these toy haulers, but definitely a lot of residential feel to this. Entertainment center there with beautiful LED light accent on top of the cabinets. And if you wanted to, you'd probably fit a 32-inch flat screen right there if you wanted to do that. More cabinet space. Your kitchen, you've got the huge stainless steel double sink covered, so you have a lot more counter space. 2-burner gas cooktop with the stainless steel finish. Definitely a lot nicer than your traditional 3-burner cooktops. Nice backsplash there. And you do have the convection oven with the stainless steel finish. Usually you'll just get a microwave. So when you have a convection oven, it's basically a regular oven. But it cooks in half the time. But since you have the convection oven, you have more storage space there. So you have 2 long cabinets there for storage. And, oh, nice range lid with stainless steel finish with light. And your refrigerator, 6 cubic foot. And gas electric Dometic refrigerator with the stainless steel finish look, but you don't have the fingerprints that you usually get on the stainless steel finish appliances. Show that there. And again, it's gas and electric. Just switch on, a couple hours later you're ready to go. Looks like pantry space right there. And more storage space. And I believe that is a dark maple finish on the wood with, yeah, definitely a satin nickel or brushed nickel hardware. Stereo, Bluetooth, CD, I believe DVD. You can hook up your smart device to it. It's got all the good stuff. Nice 110 outlet right there. I do want to point out you do have the recessed LED puck lights going all throughout this camper. Not the traditional pancake or the regular generic lighting that you usually find on some of these toy haulers. Okay. Going into the master bedroom here, you do have a nice solid wood pocket door on each side. So this is a double entry into the master bedroom. It's a queen bed, ultra plush. It does lift up, and there's a lot of storage up underneath there if you wanted that option. Nice closets on both sides. And again, a recessed LED puck light there. And let's go ahead and show you back side here. And the pocket doors are recessed into the wall, which is definitely nice. And if you wanted to put a TV in here, that's where you'd mount it. Okay. Beautiful LED light accent above the cabinets there. Okay. Let's go ahead and step outside. Show you the outside here. Exterior length is going to be 33 feet 11 inches. Exterior height to the air conditioners, I believe, is going to be right at 11 feet 2 inches to the air conditioner. And this camper weighs empty right around 6,700 pounds. Show off that color scheme. Here we go. Show off that XLR badge, Hyperlight. All the decals pretty much in excellent condition. Normal wear and tear. There's no red flags really, I noticed, except for that little area on that trim in that garage area, but that's a non-issue. It can easily be fixed. It's going to be a high gloss finish. It's almost like a full body paint. They might be calling it the Max, HD Max fiberglass finish. This color is bled all the way through, so it's definitely nice. It looks like a full body paint. Toy hauler, nice power awning. I believe it's going to be 19-foot power awning with the LED lights. All the LED lights are working. The owner has not had a chance to really detail it before I came out, so it's a little dirty, but okay. Outside entertainment speakers there. You do have show this there, hot and cold running water. There is a spigot that I'll show you here in a second. You can hook up a little sprayer, cable ready, 110 outlets. Go ahead and show you. Almost passed up this huge storage. It's up underneath the bed, and you also have access to storage inside. Just lift up the bed. There's your sprayer hose right there. This is equipped with the heavy-duty manual stabilizer jacks. These are the ones you want, not the little rinky-dink electric ones. Just get a cordless drill and a chuck and you're ready to go. It's going to be your 6-gallon gas, electric, direct spark ignition water heater service panel there. 35,000 BTU furnace exhaust right there. There's your service panel for your 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Another outside speaker. Marine style speakers. Show off the XLR badge there. Show that high gloss, so I've got halfway decent lighting on it. It's kind of a cloudy day, but no delamination whatsoever. I did check for delamination, stretch cracks. Didn't find any issues whatsoever. Nice camper. 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels. These are nitro filled, and I put my signature chrome nitro caps on them instead of the cheap little green ones that you get from the dealer. A little signature there. You do have the Equal Flex, basically an independent suspension on this toy hauler, so it's definitely a nice ride. It does have correct track, so it runs true. Behind the tow vehicle, double entry there. There's your other heavy duty manual stabilizer jack. I do want to point out, it does have enclosed heated underbelly. See if I can show that up there. All your holding tanks are protected. You can go into extended seasons on this camper without having to worry about your holding tanks. Kind of show off the front rear here side. I do want to point out the cargo rating is 2,000 pounds in the garage, but total cargo rating on the whole camper, I think max is 3,000, but you can put 2,000 pounds in this garage if you want. There's your docking lights right there, and your backup camera, remote backup camera, and a bug screen that pulls down. Yeah, show off that. It's like a rhino lined ramp. Show off that XLR badge there. Yeah, definitely a nice toy hauler. Nice service light. Everything's LED on this coach, so you're not going to end up burning up your batteries on the regular traditional lights. Tires do show a little bit of wear on it. It's been used, but definitely tires definitely, I would say, has another 4 or 5 years on them. Okay, there's going to be your satellite cable hookup, your city water and freshwater hookup, black tank sewer flush right there. Rinses out your toilet tank so you don't have to drag a hose inside. Nice marine style 30 amp cord. Unplug it, roll it up, stow it away so it's cleaner when you're driving down the road. Show off that slide out there. Back up here. See if I can show you the roof. There's your 15,000 BTU AC unit. Okay. And I believe this is generator prep. This is where your generator would go. One way you can tell easily when you're looking at campers is you have the prepped up screen already, and it's lined. So I have to check with the owner. I'm pretty sure it's generator prepped. All right, definitely a nice toy hauler. If you're looking for a good, clean, pre-owned toy hauler, this is definitely one you might want to look at. Some of the toy haulers I've looked at, they're banged up in the garage area. This is not. I do want to point out, you do have the beautiful LP tank covers. They're 30-pound LP tanks. Nice heavy duty diamond plating on the front. Protects from rock debris when you're traveling. Nice LED service light there. Show off that XLR badge again. I do want to also point out, it's just minor stuff. Little stuff like that. Chromed out marker lights, not the cheap plastic ones. It tells you you're looking at a little bit higher end toy hauler. Anyway, I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs, coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area. You can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.